guys, welcome back to another fantastic video. I saw Shazam in theaters. I don't know if you guys saw it, but I saw an early showing of it. And then I saw it again because I loved it. It was awesome. It was great. It was great. And if you haven't seen it yet, you should go out and see it. But it inspired me to do my own Shazam cosplay. So here we go. I'm going to teach you guys how to be Shazam. First, you must master the word. Like me. Watch. Shazam! See? There you go. There you have it. I am Captain Marvel, otherwise known Sparkle Fingers. No, Shazam. I'm going to teach you guys how to make this awesome chest emblem that lights up. And this cape. This is going to be a two-part video. Part 1, chest emblem. Part 2, the cape. Alright, let's get into it. So, first I pulled up some reference photos. Then I sketched it out in my sketchbook and how I wanted it to look. Then I took a tape measure and I measured my chest, how wide I wanted it and how long. Then all I did was take some EVA foam, marked how long it was, that from the measurement I took, and how wide. And basically made a triangle. Yeah. I think I made 2 inches right there on the bottom. Yeah. So it was just really simple. I didn't really have a template or anything. I just kind of just looked at it and eyeballed it, and hey, it worked. And then I made another one, because you're gonna need 2, actually 3. I made 3. This time I should have made 3 before, but then I didn't think of it. Now all I did was use my sketch and a reference photo and just made some lines and a lightning bolt. And I wasn't going like movie accurate. I just wanted it to look and feel like it was from the movie. There's other tutorials out there that teach you how to make it movie accurate. I just did it for fun and it worked. It made me happy. I'm still smiling about it. Then I took some then I heated it like so. Now onto spray painting. I took some Plasti Dip as a sealant for the EVA foam. I think it works best. I know people use Mod Podge, but Plasti Dip I think does the best job. Now onto spray painting it gold. I just bought some cheap gold spray paint from Home Depot. And now I have a lighting gel, and I cut that out. And as a diffuser, I just used a plain piece of paper. Then I took that and the plain piece of paper and glued them together. Yep, glued them together. And after that, stick on. Now this is a lighting gel for professional theatrical lights and whatnot. Then I went crazy. And when I mean crazy, I took some crazy glue, glued it on, glued all the edges. I wanted a tight seal with the yellow to the gold rim, or frame, I should say. Gold lightning bolt frame. And hold it up, and I was getting excited. Then I found some lights on Amazon. There's going to be a link in the description below. And this cost me $5. This is like a wire. My girlfriend said it goes in like a jar, I guess. I don't know. And then I took my hot glue gun, cut a slit in the back, of the base. Yeah, we'll call it the base of the emblem. And I just, and then I took it out and put on the middle layer. There's 3 layers, and I made a middle layer so it wasn't like when I stuck the 2 together, it was on top of each other. And just laid them out the best I could. This cord was 7 feet long, and I just placed it where the lights were the best. Then I took it and I bent it so it made like a cone shape, kind of like bowed it, so it illuminated the light perfectly. Then I just took it and trimmed it up and glued it shut, and then I put on the battery pack with some Velcro to the back of it and trimmed up the little emblems and put those on, and boom! You have a Shazam emblem. Oh yeah.
Well, I did it. I'm Captain Marvel.
Alright guys, well that comes to the end of another awesome video. If you guys like this, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give a thumbs down. Sorry, I do my best. But yeah, leave a comment in the comment section below. I love to hear from you guys. I respond to every single comment, even if it's a mean one. I try to do my best. Yeah, this is my beginning of my Shazam cosplay. Yeah. Oh, and make sure to check out my Facebook page, Toledo Batman. I post everything Batman or superhero related that I'm doing. So you can follow along with that. And also hit that notification button so next time you know when I post another awesome video. Alright, until next time, train like a hero, be a hero. I'll see everybody later. Bye.